Hello friends, welcome to my channel Medicines for Life. In this video I will be discussing about two things. The first one is about the tests which are done for the COVID-19 detection. The second thing is about the CoroSure, a newly developed testing kit from IIT Delhi, India. Friends, there are two types of tests are available for COVID-19 detection. The first one is swab test, which is very common, which is done for the detection of virus. The second one is a blood test, which is done for the detection of antibodies, mainly IgM and IgG. In this video, I will be discussing about the swab test in detail. The blood test I will try to cover in my next video. Swab test is also known as reverse transcription polymerase chain reaction test or RT-PCR test. These RT-PCR tests are highly sensitive for early detection of COVID-19 and have been widely used during the COVID-19 pandemic. Now the question arises in our mind, what is the technology behind RT-PCR test and how it works? Quick facts on RT-PCR and CoroSure. The RT-PCR was first invented by scientist Carl Mullis in 1984 in USA. The RT-PCR process for one batch of swab samples takes approximately 2 hours for testing. The uses of RT-PCR apart from COVID-19 testing includes research methods, gene insertion, genetic disease diagnosis, cancer detection. Newtech Medical Devices, a Delhi-based manufacturing company, obtained the license to manufacture CoroSure commercially from IIT Delhi and also has received approval from both Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) and Drug Controller General of India. The technology behind RT-PCR test is reverse transcription process. Before that, we must understand about transcription process. Like we have DNA as a genetic material, COVID-19 virus has RNA as a genetic material. Normally RNA is prepared from DNA through transcription process, but in reverse transcription, a reverse process happens, that is, DNA is made from RNA through reverse transcription techniques using reverse transcription enzyme and polymerase chain reaction process. The next is how the RT-PCR test is performed and arrived at the conclusion. Once the nasal swab samples are collected, they are subjected to a several purification process in the laboratory using various reagents. Then it is further subjected to a multiple extraction techniques to separate COVID-19 RNA from various virus proteins. The next is reverse transcription process using enzymes known as reverse transcriptase enzymes and using PRC machine. Multiple copies of complementary DNA or cDNA are made from virus RNA using this method. This cDNA emits certain color in the presence of fluorescent dye known as cybergreen. This fluorescence or color is enhanced by repeating the same process for several times. The intensity of fluorescence increases along with higher concentration of DNA. Multiple fluorescence is made into a graph for COVID-19 detection and for technical analysis. A positive COVID-19 testing gives a strong color or fluorescence, whereas a negative result shows absence of color or fluorescence. Let's talk about CoroSure, a new and economical COVID-19 test kit developed by Indian Institute of Technology IIT Delhi. The team claimed that they are not using the cyber probe. The major factor in the cost of COVID-19 testing is the cost of cyber probe reagent. In general, each COVID-19 test would cost somewhere around 3,000 to 5,000 rupees or 40 to 70 US dollar. But CoroSure comes with a price advantage of just 600 rupees or 10 US dollar approximate. It is still not clear that how this kit is able to give accurate results without the use of cyber probe. More technical details are yet to be revealed from the manufacturer. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Medicines for Life for more updates on medicines, natural products and lifestyle. Once again, thank you for your patience and thank you for watching.